Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have an unboxing. I have this package. I'm going to unbox with you guys. Actually this is my Mother's Day gift. I placed this order on May 10 and today I received this package. It took almost 1 month, I would say. Not exactly 1 month, but almost 1 month. So without further ado, let's get started with this unboxing. I'm definitely going to frame this. It's a beautiful card.
And let's unbox this one. You can tell from the box what I got.
To reveal, this is my first time getting a pouch like this, like a pouch, not like the square one. This is round pouch, and to reveal, ta-da! So this is O Kelly bracelet, O Kelly double tour, in the color deep blue, and this was holding the, I think, hardware. It just fell. Wow, it's so pretty. This is how it looks like. You can see the quality. It's perfect. And here is the back. There is a film, that's why it looks matte, but if you take that out, this will be shiny gold. So you can wear it like this, with the lock in the front, and you can also wear it like this, the lock in the back. And let me try this on and show you guys. And this is the other side. You can wear it as well. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? I love this. I love this color. And if you want to see the comparison between the Reuploaded double tour and O Kelly double tour, then let me know. I'm going to do a comparison. I do not have that nearby, so I can't show you now. But if you want to see, then I can do a video and you can see the quality. How well made this is. And let me tell you the price. You can get this in website, but if you don't want to do that, let me tell you the price. So here is the return policy and all those, and here is the receipt. So this is the name. O Kelly bracelet in deep blue, size T1. So that's it guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you again in my next one. Bye.